I nominated Carlos because he has shown an amazing ability to be self-motivated and self-driven on learning everything that he possibly can in the shop. He has spent countless hours with me after school, and he has been driven and focused on learning how to not only prepare fittings, make the fits, and now he is learning how to actually TIG weld out the whole piping.
I seen that I was making a lot of progress, and so I didn't want to lose that progress, so I just kept coming after school. And like I try to even like reschedule my like because I had a job, because I knew that this was going to be a better career, and it'll help me in my future and stuff like that.
When I have an after school program, I'm after school from Monday through Thursday every day, typically till 5, sometimes till 7. So I mean, and that's for the last 3 years, and he is always here, always here.
To be honest, probably around like 800, probably more. I'm not sure. Like it's a lot of hours. Like I've been doing it since my sophomore year.
8,000 hours typically is what it's going to take somebody to achieve the level that he's producing right now. His name is being uttered throughout the contractor realm already. And so we have Performance, we have Turner, we have CBI, we have, there's 5 or 10 different contractors that have already been murmuring and saying, how is he doing? What's he doing? They are just absolutely thrilled to see what he's accomplishing. His potential right now after graduating, he's going to get snatched up so quick just from the skills that he's learned just the last couple of years.